Welcome to the first lecture of German for engineers and engineering students. In this course, we will use a simple but effective methodology to learn German grammar. Our methodology is called the grammatical and structural analysis of sample sentences. Let's get started. Our first sentence in German. Ingenieure sind wissenschaftlich ausgebildete Fachleute, die auf technischem Gebiet arbeiten. As you see, this is a very simple definition of the word engineer. In this lecture and the following 2 or 3 lectures, I want to discuss about 3 different and important grammatical topics. First of all, word formation or Wortbildung in German. Second, present and past participle. In German we call Partizip 1 und Partizip 2. And third topic, relative clause. As we say in German, Relativsatz. Let's talk about some Wortschatz und Wortbildung, which is vocabulary and word formation. The most basic word, der Ingenieure, engineer, and the female form of this word is die Ingenieurin. As I told earlier, Wissenschaft with the article die means science, and the suffix lich comes together with this word and makes an adjective or an adverb from names. Whether it's an adjective or adverb depends on the context, but the point is how suffixes are used to make adjectives from names. So let's have a closer look at the frequently used suffixes to make adjectives from nouns. Die Technik, technisch. Die Technologie, technologisch. Der Effekt, effektiv. Das Rätsel, rätselhaft. By the way, let me explain the latest word. Das Rätsel means puzzle or mystery or enigma. And rätselhaft is obviously puzzling, enigmatic, or mysterious. Here is another list of most frequently used suffixes to make adjectives from nouns. Die Politik, politisch. Die Ökologie, ökologisch. Der Geist, geistig. Die Kreativität, kreativ. Die Innovation, innovativ. Das Wesen, wesentlich. Der Fortschritt, fortschrittlich. Die Verantwortung, verantwortlich. Let me have a look at the list of the words you may not know. The Politik is obvious. I don't need to translate it into English. Ökologie, ecology. Der Geist is spirit, like in team spirit. Kreativität is obvious, creativity. Innovation, obvious. Das Wesen means the essence, the core. Wesentlich means the essential, the most important part or something. Der Fortschritt means progress or advance. So our adjective fortschrittlich means progressive or advanced, depending on the context, but mostly progressive. Die Verantwortung means responsibility, and the adjective form verantwortlich means responsible. So, let's continue with this word formation and new words. Or if you say it in German, Wortschatz und Wortbildung. I think you can remember these words from our sample sentence in the very beginning. Das Fach means subject of expertise or profession. Die Leute means people. So, these two words, das Fach and die Leute, come together, make a compound, make a connected word, and we have die Fachleute. And the Fachleute means experts, professionals, specialists. Here is a very important rule. If two or more words form a compound, the last word in the compound determines the gender and the plural form of the compound noun. As we have seen in our example, the article of Fach is das, and the article of Leute is die. According to our rule, the article of our final word, Fachleute, bears the article of the last word, die Fachleute. I think that's enough for the first lecture. Now please go on with the second lecture. There we will discuss about present and past participle, or Partizip 1 und Partizip 2. Thank you very much. Vielen Dank.